Yeah, because...
All right, so we've got 12-year-old Cyrus here, and we've got Rain here, 5-year-old. These guys are both mechanics, and they're both working on this bike. What bike is this today, you guys? This is
TTR 50.
It's a TTR 50 Yamaha. It's got a flat tire on it, as you can see. And these guys have an assortment of tools out here.
And subscribe.
And these guys want you to subscribe. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so Rain, you're working on your chain adjuster there. You've got a little wrench and you're loosening your chain adjusters, right? All right. So you get some slack on this chain. So okay, go ahead, just loosen that thing up. See if you can do it by hand now. See if you can turn it with your fingers.
Should I take this all the way off?
Yeah, keep going. No, we're just gonna back them off a little bit right now, and then we'll do the axle bolts and see. So you got that washer spinning there.
That's probably good.
Let's try to.
Right?
Yeah, that's gonna be great. So those are backed out close to the end. We've got Rain here right now, and he's getting this one backed off.
Wait, how does it Rain's channel?
Okay, so Rain's channel here. So see if you can get that by with your fingers now, Rain. I think you've got enough of that wrenched off. Yeah, so it's looking like it's going pretty good. All right. All right, sounds great. So now we need to do this big one. So we're gonna get our wrench set up for this. See what we can find in here.
Can I use this way? The layout?
Yeah,
Just
you
like,
can,
for cardboard
yeah,
or something?
yeah, go ahead. All right, so let's see if we have a socket big enough to fit
This
this.
is 17 right here.
And this is.
Do you want a long socket?
Oh, that's. I'll get the proper.
That's
I got
the one.
Okay, so put that back on there, Rain, and put your socket on your ratchet.
Oh, do you have a wrench?
You'll have to press your little button
That I
in
can
like you've
hold
done
on the other
before.
side?
Okay,
Do you have a wrench I can hold on?
So,
the other side so it doesn't-
let's see if you're strong enough to loosen this. This could take a lot, so you're gonna want to turn your ratchet the other way, Rain. Click your switch your selector button so it turns the other way.
It's on the front. Oh no, it's not.
So you're gonna, well, that's gonna tighten it. So switch the selector and that'll move it the other direction that way.
Really?
Yeah, click it up and then the wrench will turn the other way. Yeah, there you go. So
Let me try right.
you're gonna want to get a lot of power on it. So go like this, Rain. Put it up here and then push on it. You're gonna push down now. See, it needs to go. It needs to go that way. So you're gonna have to try as hard as you can. Try to put all your weight on it. Might be really tight. Okay, so this is gonna take some extra power. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to position this, and here's what I recommend doing. Watch out, guys. So if you're by yourself,
What?
try to get it to where it's nice and flat, and then you're gonna have to probably stand on this, Rain, to see if you can get all your weight on the end of that, and see if it'll crack it off of there.
No.
Maybe the end of the ratchet. Get your foot right on the end.
Get it right here.
Yeah. See if all your weight will do it. Really? Oh, you got it. Okay, wait, hang on. Let him try it. See if you can press it now.
Oh, you.
Press it down by hand. Because you've got it down a lot. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Wow, you're getting it. Okay. Now let's see if this other side's spinning.
He's good. Now it's spinning. Okay, keep going.
Nice. Great job.
Can you get another wrench for this side? It's spinning. Or
Okay, so Rain, see what's happening over here? Watch what's happening when you're turning that. It's spinning that side.
Okay, now try it. If I'm strong enough to hold it.
All right, it's going great. So you're just gonna keep on going, one thread at a time. That's gonna come off of there. It's getting closer and closer. Make sure your wrench stays on there. Push it in a little more. You're slipping off a little bit, so push it back on. Yep, there you go. You're getting there. We'll have this tire off here pretty soon. Okay, and then there's one thing we're gonna want to do is we have to get that chain off of there too. So, okay, well, just hold on for a second. Just let him take the nut off of here really quick. Okay, up, other way, other way. Okay, now you want to just hang on to all those parts, pull the washer off,
I'm gonna put
and
it.
then
I'm
just
gonna
leave
put
that
it in here.
for now. We're gonna do a couple more things. So take your washer off
We
of
gotta
there,
get the chain tensioner off.
and you can take your chain tensioner off of there.
And then
And
come to the
then-
other side.
Now what you're gonna want to do is,
Oh,
so
the
remember
chain.
all that slack we talked about?
Yeah.
So what we want to do is we want to get this off of here. So you want to push the tire in as far as you
Push
can
it.
go that way. Okay, just kind of hit it a little bit and jam it in there.
Push it like that.
Yeah, like push it in. Hold on.
There it is.
Yeah, like hit it in there. Okay,
Wait,
now look.
so-
So now see the axle right here? It's as far as it can go. Hang on. We're gonna let him try to do this. So now you want to take the chain off of here and stick it to the side without getting your fingers caught in there. See if you can get the chain off of here. See if you can go like this without getting your finger in here though. Then look at this. We're gonna just turn the tire a little bit. You'll see it coming off of there.
It's off now.
Okay, now keep your fingers out of there. Okay, now turn the tire a little more.
And
All right.
it's off.
Okay, so it looks like it's off now. So now what you
Rain.
want to do, Rain, is you want to get ready to pull the axle bolts out of there while somebody holds the tire up. Okay, hang on.
Come to this side, right?
Stick that over there. And we need to take this all the way off too, remember?
Oh yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Sometimes if somebody holds this brake pedal forward a little more, it might help. Okay, so.
Need help, Ted?
Oh, that's a tool.
Wait, no, you don't use a tool.
Yeah, I think it probably needs some WD-40. But,
Come off. I can get it off.
all right, go ahead. Let him help you if you can get it off of there.
Watch out. Oh, no, watch out.
What do you think?
Spark plug off?
No, the socket. I mean, the opening.
Oh, yeah, there's something on the bench over there. All right, so we've almost got this chain adjuster off, guys. Or brake adjuster. And when that brake adjuster comes off, then you'll be able to actually slide this off of there when it comes off.
Watch out. No, it's hard right now. Like, no, it's harder than it looks.
Wait, can I try?
That's right.
Okay, looking good. Getting there, almost off. All right, let's put that in your little parts bin. Now, when we do this, though, you've got to
Come
hold
here.
your tire up
I'll
at
hold
the
the
same
tire
time.
up. Come
You
here.
pull your axle bolt out.
The axle bolts over
So
here.
we've got to pull that axle bolt out of the center there,
Right
Rain.
here.
Yeah, that whole bolt has to come out because it goes all the way through your tire.
No, let me
Then your
get.
tire's going to come off.
So let me get this, right?
Well, you probably could pull it out by
No,
hand.
you gotta pull.
You're not going to
it's
turn it.
not-
It's actually
just-
going to
it's
pull
just
out.
Slides. You don't twist it. Slide it.
Pull it out.
Pull it.
Like you got to probably give
Yeah.
him some space over there, Si.
Here, I'll come to the other side and hold it.
Wait, which way is off?
Pull it toward you.
Pull it.
Like
Just pull it
it.
towards you.
It might be kind of hard to pull out, but you need to pull it out of there. I'll help you wiggle the tire around. There you go. Okay, keep pulling it out.
Okay.
All right. So, look at this.
Oops.
Watch out where that spacer came out from.
That came out from here, I think.
All right, so there's your tire.
I'll put that there.
Here it is, Rain. You got it out of there. Good
Wait, don't we
job.
want to take this off?
That's your brake hub.
Should we take it off?
You can check it out. All right, guys, we're gonna probably pick up with a video later. As of right now, we've got the tire off of there. Looks like we're just under 10 minutes, and we'll give you an
That
update
goes in
when
there,
we're gonna
right?
put this back together.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Rain. Good job, Si. Okay.
Bye, guys.
All right.
Right
Bye,
there.
guys. We'll see you later.
And
Bye.